Yeah, we back, man. We back. Got wild shit for y'all today, man. It's an update too. This an update drop. You feel what I'm saying? So let's get into this shit, man. Hold on, I ain't do my little intro, man. So this Hefe Drip, the one-stop drip shop. You know what I'm saying? Where we bring y'all all the lit shit y'all want to see. You know what I mean? Unbox the shit, let y'all know if it's a go, or you know what I mean, this shit a whole dub. But yeah, without further ado, let's get into it, man. Alright, so what we got here? We got the I don't even know if I showed y'all this shit already, man. But if I did, pardon me, y'all. I can't keep up with all this shit. We got the Bone Thugs tee from they did a little versus, the Bone Thugs versus 3-6. You feel what I'm saying? It's a fire ass tee. I ain't get to spank this shit yet, but it should be dope. They got images on the front and on the back. You feel me? Don't worry, y'all. Everything I post that's in the plastic, eventually I'ma show y'all what the motherfucker look outside that shit. So don't trip, man. Stay down. So we got some we got the Travis Scott. This the Sicko event. The Sicko event shit from when he did the Fortnite drop. You feel what I'm saying? So this it's pretty much got like a logo on the front and like a lot of designs on the back and shit. Give me a week or two, I'ma set y'all out with how that look and shit. You know what I mean? When y'all get my numbers up, I'll start ripping these shits out the plastic, but we ain't doing that for these little ass subscribers and little ass views. You feel what I'm saying? Y'all niggas ain't even commenting and shit, but we're still here. We still bring it back for y'all. But right here, we got the motherfucking Kid Cudi, the Virgil collab. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, this shit is dope. You feel me? We got this going on. I like this tee. You know what I mean? This shit dope. Can't give it a grade right now. Matter of fact, I give it a grade. In a plastic, I get it a 8 in a plastic. You gonna see how, you know what I mean, how I go when I spank this shit. You dig? It got the puppet vibes. Middle finger up, hand on the nuts. Yeah, just shot this up to 8.5. It's that easy. I might have showed y'all this shit already. I don't know, man. Like I said, this a vintage John, Ice Cube John. I'm pretty sure I showed y'all this shit already. But if I didn't, you know what I mean? It's a calm vibe. Get into this shit for y'all. You know what I mean? This shit dope to me. Probably get the SBs, the orange and blue shits, the fuck, just for these, like, just for these, you know what I mean? Where it's like just really like a vintage tee. This the Ice Cube. Today was a good day joint, you know what I mean? So, yeah, bruh. Shit lit. I get this at 8.5 too. I like this tee. Alright, we got some Nav, man. We got some Nav drip right here. Smiley face joint on a tie-dye. You know what I mean? This shit cool right here. Kind of like this tee. I ain't wear it. Obviously, I ain't wear this shit yet, but I don't know how much I'm gonna like it after I wear it, but this real trendy right now. Everybody doing a lot of tie-dye shit, so can't necessarily go wrong with this. You know what I'm saying? If it's the good intentions merch, you dig? Or so that's that. Oh, we got some more Nav merch right here. We got some more Nav merch. You dig? This also another Virgil situation. Nav Virgil shit. You dig? That shit kind of fire too. I ain't gonna hold you. It ain't getting the 8.5 like the Kid Cudi joint did, cause he ain't doing nothing too crazy on this shit. So we got that all white. I hate white t-shirts, man. Hate white t-shirts. Word. So yeah, that's that. Matter of fact, this is 7.5 now. I mean, I hate fucking white t-shirts, man. We got something nice right here. It's the Travis Scott astronomical shit. You know what I mean? This tee's fire right here. Heavy on it. Heavy on the vinyl right here. Puff out vinyl. A lot of things going on with this tee. It's actually one of the the only tees that I got that they just put mad work into this shit, man. I forgot what I paid for it. I think I probably paid like $40, $50 for this t-shirt, but it was worth it, man. It's a dope ass t-shirt. It's actually gonna get it's gonna get a 9.5, you know what I mean? Ain't nobody get a 10 grade yet. I probably gave a 10 grade to some vacation shit, you know what I mean? Word, they cooking fire. But what we got right here? We got some more Weeknd. We got some more Weeknd V-Lone. It's the Weeknd V-Lone drop, you know what I mean? I might have showed y'all this shit already. I'm not sure. You feel me? I'm not sure. But yeah, this the Weeknd shit right here. V-Lone. Don't trip, man. Y'all all gonna get this the V-Lone after hours. Don't trip. Y'all all gonna see this shit outside the bag. Don't trip, don't trip. Don't trip, don't trip. Alright, last but not least, we got the Scott's tee. You feel what I'm saying? We got the Scott's tee. This the Travis Scott Kid Cudi situation. You feel me? That's a cool tee. I probably want to fucking rock this shit, man. You feel me? It's kind of childish, but I like it still. You dig? You got Scott right there. You got Cudi. You feel me? It's cool. A lot of y'all niggas ain't gonna have this tee. I know that for a fact. Alright, let's get into some drip that was already worn, man. We got the Cactus Jack Look Mom I Could Fly tee. You feel me? Let's see how this shit looking right here. It's the back. You can still purchase this tee. It's still available on certain sites. You feel me? You can still purchase this joint. You did. You can still purchase this. So, ooh, we got the Pop Smoke Meet the Woo 2 shirt. I mean, they brought this shirt back out. You know what I mean? They brought this shirt back out, but the thing about it is, the new shirt they got out, it don't got this sauce on the back right here. Like, you feel what I'm saying? They don't got this sauce on the back right here. They don't got the Meet the Woo 2. You know what I mean? Because the new shit they got out is for the new album. This for the original Meet the Woo 2 album, you feel me? So yeah, you got this, you a real one. Because it took mad long for this tee to come. Probably like 8 months for this shit to come now. So what else oh, matter of fact, let me give a grade to that tee. I give that tee a 9.5 RP Pop Smoke, you dig? So this the Juice WRLD tee right here, man. I like this tee. It was cool. This shit was bad thick, man. I sweat the shit out this tee, man. I mean, RP Juice WRLD 2. This is from the Death Race joint. I had this tee for a little minute. Just finally decided to wear it. Damn, this shit booming too, man. I sweat the shit out this tee. Matter of fact, this going in that section over there. Woo! That shit crazy. Alright, so we got some Durk, OTF, Only the Family. This from the, what the fuck was the name of Durk last album? I forgot, man. But that last album was fire too, you know what I'm saying? That shit fire. This the joint with Broke Up in Miami on there, and all that other heat they got on that shit. I like Broke Up in Miami though. I be playing that shit, get me in my bag sometimes, and Denied in the UK, man, shit, the intro crazy, like, man, shit, man. I sound like a nut, not even knowing my favorite songs off that shit, but here we go. This the Tory Lanez tee, man. I hated this tee first when I first opened this shit, man. I did a vid and I ain't never posted, but I was shitting on this tee. I swear to God, I was shitting on it. I was like, yo, this the biggest fucking tee ever. I'm like, the quality, cheapest shit. I tore Tory ass up behind this t-shirt right here. But guess what, y'all? This one of my favorite tees, man. I fucking love this tee, man. Shout out to Tory for this one. Yo, if I posted vid when I was cutting this nigga ass, I'm like, yo, this the biggest fucking shirt in the world. Fuck is up with Tory Lanez? I'm like, this shit mad cheap. This, that, and the third. But y'all wore this shirt mad fucking times, man. Word, wore this shit mad times, man. And I don't even wear shit a lot. I missed to wear it once, you know what I mean? But I wore this shit like 2-3 times. So shout out to Tory. You dig? one-stop drip shop. I kept y'all here a little minute, man. Matter of fact, if y'all want to hold it down, I'm gonna go get some like 2-3 more teas that I forgot to bring with me, man. I got some I think I got the what the fuck I got? Hold on, give me 1 second, y'all. We're gonna try to do this quick. I'm gonna let y'all poly with Elmo. And I'm gonna let y'all poly with Elmo and Cookie for a little second, you heard? Right. This shit is gonna be annoying for a YouTube video. But give me a second, man. You know we gotta bring y'all the best. Yeah. Damn. I might have fucked my whole video up doing that, man. But y'all rocking with me, so I ain't tripping. Yeah, so we got the 600 degrees black tea. This shit fire. I ain't even gonna hold you. I ain't rocked it yet, but I could already tell nowadays what's gonna be the heat and what's not. You feel me? So, yeah. I'm gonna try to get this up for y'all today, man. Appreciate y'all stopping by, man, holding the nigga down. Like I said, y'all want me to start pulling these shits out the plastic off top. Like, comment, share, get these vids out, man, so I get my numbers up, cop more drip for y'all, post more drip for y'all, you did? But y'all, I appreciate y'all holding that nigga down, man. Remember, real niggas come first, you heard? Real niggas do real things. We about this shit, man.